Welcome to paradise. Discover the ultimate in luxury St. Petersburg living in this magnificent Mediterranean masterpiece boasting over 110 feet of waterfront and breathtaking panoramic views of Weedon Island in the Tampa Bay. Step inside to be greeted by an impressive grand entry with imported travertine floors. This 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom sanctuary spans approximately 5,900 square feet of sheer elegance and exquisite finishes. The grand living room features wall-to-wall windows offering picturesque vistas at every turn and a library complete with a full wet bar. Designer kitchen with custom cabinetry and upscale appliances seamlessly flows into the cozy sitting area, making it perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying and soaking up those views. Entertain in style with a former dining room, timeless refinished solid walnut hardwood flooring and its own balcony. The master suite opens to the lanai with views all the way to Tampa. Sit and unwind here or soak in the deep oversized tub. This ensuite also has a walk around shower. Step outside onto one of the two expansive 1,100 square foot balconies, each enhanced with an outdoor fireplace and a kitchenette on the main balcony, perfect for al fresco dining and soaking in the stunning surroundings. The waterfront oasis is equipped with 2 docks, 3 lifts, plus parking for your yacht or sailboat. Elevators on every level travel downstairs to an additional 1,000 square feet of bonus space. Here, a home gym and large flex area and a custom oversized garage. This home is a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and a quality construction standards you don't find with today's construction. Don't miss your chance to experience this unparalleled beauty firsthand. Contact us today for your private showing and embark on a journey to waterfront living at its finest.